Today I discuss awesome software that is the alternative of Adobe Photoshop. Sometimes you need to edit some photo and you need to edit some photos, some open some PSD file and those types of file, and you need to Photoshop. But Photoshop is not a free software. It is a product of Adobe, and this is a huge of prices, but it is very essential. Although many people are using a crack version or a lowest version for illegal way or free, but today I give you a solution that you can design, you can work, and you can edit a photo like as Photoshop, and it is pretty easy to use. Okay, let's go to your browser and type your browser photopea.com, and after that, okay, I'm just loading anything, and this is the photopea. This is a most is a similar to the Photoshop, and it's the online software. You don't need to install. If you have internet, then you can easily use it on your browser, and you can use the PHP file, .ai file, .axt file, and .sketch file, and .pdf, xcf, and raw file, and any you can open here JPG, PNG, GIF, TTF, and FS. And now create a project. The created project is a file, edit, image, layer, mask. Is the look like as Photoshop. Okay, I'm just creating a new project. Just click here and new project, and you can at first you select the size. And new project is a one tutorial and file size. Okay, this is the given file size. You can select anything. There's a dot part in C, the DPI is, and you can select the background. Okay, I'm just selecting backgrounds like transparent, and here is a recommended size is given here for social media, for Facebook cover pages, Facebook shared images, event images, group header, Instagram, those type of and if you want to print, this is the print file A3, A4, A5, B3, B4, B5 for the size of photos. Some of the photos, this is the quality input and skin. And the screen size 4K USD, 2K, 4K. This is the mobile resolutions, and this is the default size. But now I choose the this size. Just create it, and you just see that all tools are look like as Photoshop. And in the Photoshop there have a move tool and rectangle select tool and the lasso tool and the magnetic brushes, and every function is similar to the Photoshop, and is the brush tool. And you can, if you know about the Photoshop, you will do everything, many things would like as Photoshop. And you can see also that this is the channel layers, and you see the history. You can create the layer, and this is the transparent background. And if you want to draw some, you draw some select brushes. Okay, I'm just selecting color red. Okay, just the like as brushes, and if you increase the size of the brushes, it's similar to the Photoshop. And you can see here is a history. And okay, I'm just closing this. Okay, just closing this and open from computer, and I have a screenshot here. This is on screenshot. I wanna edit it, and at first I wanna crop this text bar, so I have a crop tool, and just selecting, and okay, and you have seen this is this file is I have a little bit here. Okay. Okay, this crop is completed, and I need to blur off this portion. This is blur tools. Brush tools. My brushes is too much smaller. Okay, just strong. Just increase the size. Okay. If I click here, it will be blurred. It is blurred. You can easily change any photo, edit a photo. I think you don't need to any photo editing, install any photo editing software in your PC. Today I've shared. If you wanna make a Facebook cover or YouTube video thumbnail without Photoshop, this software will help you. And if you want to type something, okay, just typing illustration, typing something, you can increase the font size. Okay, typing something, I have increased the font, and here is a several option to fill color. The fill color is a white, and I wanna make a background color. It's a black. Okay, and just typing something. And if you see that here is a new layer is created. So new layer is created here. Okay, put it with type another with another font. Font size. Here is a various type of fonts. I have select this font size. Okay, text number 2. Text number 2. And if you wanna select and cart something, if I select with lesser tools, I now select this background, and I select this position and make and free transform it. You can see that this portion is cartoon, and you can put anywhere in this software, and after pressing enter, and you just see the hair. This is cartoon. I think you don't understand what software you are using. If you're working, you think you are using Photoshop. I think you will feel you are using Photoshop. and here is a array functions which shows and array and you can change the background color and cut the background with a brush tool. Is for heading tools, and this is the erase tool. If you want to erase something, first you need to increase the size. Okay, you can erase something. After that, you have to see that this is the history of. Okay, and just back the history. And just like okay, you can see the history, and now I save it to an image. As save, you can save as PSD and for export as JPG. After screenshot as a name, I've given a name JPG and white and height, and you can increase the quality to reduce size, and you just see that the output. If you reduce the quality, what will look like that, and I would say 31 kilobyte. If you increase the quality, and it would look like a pro, and it's 691 kilobyte, and to look after I'm decreasing the size and the save file, and it look like this is the I have created these images. I have created these images. Okay, and if you wanna make a thumbnail with the software, you don't need to install any other software. You can easily make copy paste, or if I not paste another image here, just make a new layer. Just make new layer or new. Just create here. If copy image from internet. Okay. If you wanna copy this logo, just copy and paste. Control V. You see this layer, and if you okay, now this layer is the top of the text, and that's why you just see that this is the logo of photopea, and you can easily transform this software. Shift and just press the Control, Alt and T for transform. You can transform. Yes, transform. You can copy this software. Just simply press the Alt button, and you can make multiple copies of its logos. Layer 1. Is the layer 2 copy. Layer 1, layer 2 copy, and in this way, if I save it as a PSD, save as PSD file on desktop, Yeah, save. Just closing, just closing everything. And open photopea again, open from computer, and what I have read here is photopea. photopea.pht. Okay, you just see that this file is coming as this file is coming, and this is the completely new file, and you can export it as png. Okay, just you can export it as png. So this file is saved in downloaded folder and in photopea. You see that this is the photopea file. I think you learn something about this. If you know anything of the software, please share with us.